la 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 la. Hey friends, welcome to NDKB Vlogs. My name is Deepak, and today we are going to see how to make a cake and my mother's drawing of Jesus. So yeah, let's go into the making part of the cake. So the first thing we need is a bowl and a mixer. And now let's go to our ingredients. So this is our main ingredient, Betty Crocker's Supreme Vanilla Cake Mix. The next thing is 3 eggs, butter, 80 ml of vegetable oil and 230 ml water. So first I'll start with the eggs. So I'll pour the eggs into this large bowl. Yes. So we have to whisk it. So as you can see, it's whisked. The next thing is vegetable oil. Next thing is the vanilla cake mix from Betty Crocker's. So yeah, I'm just opening it. So this is the cake mix. It looks white. Our last cake video, it was brown because it is chocolate. So just take the scissors. So yeah, they didn't fail on me. It did work. Okay, so now let's pour it. Okay, yeah, it is so white. Because it's a vanilla cake. Oh, the smell is good. We didn't even start baking it, but it smells good. So now we'll add water. Wow. So now let's add the butter. Butter. Yep, it came down. So now let's keep this here and start mixing again. It is so hard. So guys, now the cake mix is ready. Now I'm gonna pour it in this cake molder. So yeah, let's pour it. Before I have to take this out. I made art. Look at this. Camera come here. I made art. Stand. Okay, yeah, stand. Yep. So we already applied butter in the butter paper. So now I'll pour it. It's going to be the hardest job. Okay, it's going good. It's going good. Good. Okay, and the bowl is very heavy actually. So guys, we poured the cake mix into the cake molder. Now let's keep this cake molder into the oven. So yeah, let's go. So guys, let's keep this in the oven. Yes. And put in the cake option. So for me, it's roast and bake. I said roast and bake number 1 and start. It's 1 kg and start. It says for 20 minutes. We'll see you after 20 minutes. And so guys, now let's see the drawing of Jesus my mother drew. So guys, this is the drawing my mother drew, and look at it. It's so beautiful. She drew very well. And Jesus will bless you all. And look at the eyes. It looks so real. So I'm gonna release it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, it's released. So now, I'm gonna take it up. Oh, look at it. Look at the cake. It is so soft. Wow, my favorite cake is ready. So yeah, look at the toppings. My favorite strawberry syrup, blueberries, banana with my favorite cake, vanilla. So let's cut it. So wow, look at it. It looks so delicious. Let me have a bite. Wow! Guys, it is so delicious. You could try it at your home. So yeah, that's it friends. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, share, subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye!